you love Harold? Yeah, you love Harold. Harold, yeah. Can you say speak? Can you say, hi, Harold? Harold, Oliver. You're going to get some chicken? You love it, don't you? Oh, yeah. I love Harold. Zilda, stop it. I want chicken. Stop it, Bobby. You love more than chicken? You love Harold more than chicken? Oh, goodness. Okay. There's Cece. Hi, Cece. Cece. Hi, Cece. Oh, do you love Harold too? Yes, you love Harold too. Good boy right there. Okay, see you later. Okay, are you going to stop? Okay. Hi, Oliver. You love Harold, don't you? Oh, Mommy, I love him. Say hi. Can you say speak? No, you don't know. You just said you love him.